Hari ni 13 November 2023. So hari ni kita dekat Mersing. So kita nak test mikrofon Cik Abang Hybrid Junkie. Either it can delete the wind sound or not. Jalan. I think we should jalan that side. Jalan that side lah. Yeah, less people. So ni bukan pantai commercial. Sebab tu tak ada orang bersihkan sangat. It's a public place. Like macam taman permainan. Tapi sebab Mersing, they have their own pantai. So ada angin-angin bertiup. Bertiup sepoi-sepoi bahasa. Literally sepoi-sepoi. This is really sepoi-sepoi. I think Mersing is such a beautiful place. It's a small city, but it has all the facilities that we need to live in here. So maybe in the future when we are older, we can come and migrate here. Kat sana. Tak ada apa. I told you, this is not commercial place. It's a public place. We just doing our walking activity. You said you need to walk more. You already ask for shortcut already. Okay lah. Cik Abang needs to berehat sebentar already. See you. Bye.